Hi, Rika. It's day. Early morning here. Morning, yeah. Hi, Golden. What's wrong? Nothing. Early morning because going to the hospital soon. This one is 18 9. Yeah, my father. Can't sleep. Family member is sick. Yeah, my father is sick. I was sick. Cold. Yeah, cold here. I feel cold. Thank you for watching. You have a cold? Yeah, he's coughing a lot. Nalaman ka bias. Ammonia. Ammonia. Maybe. That's why we need to go to the hospital today. Bicol po. Taga Bicol. Older people get it. Yeah. Have you tried honey and tea? Honey and tea? Not yet. Or lemon and honey? No, no. I'm not tried, but not yet tried. Uh, we are going to the hospital for checkup. Need to check up how to fix the him medicine to buy to recommend medicine for him from the doctor. If you have a cold, thank you for the thumbs up. Get home cold milk. I feel their pharmacy. Is that him coughing? Yeah. Sound like a normal. Huh? He felt difficult to breathing. Very hard to breathe. Hmm. Something to say that. Hmm. Same cough drop. I already gave him. He have mucus. Maybe in his chest. Maybe he have mucus. You can mucus cream and put it on his chest. Put mucus cream or given hot water. Yeah. Thank you, Golden. Pinay. Let's see. Hello, hi, Pinay. Aussie channel. Hi. No, don't listen to him. But I'm going to the hospital today. Add honey and it will help without coughing. You need medication. Thank you for the likes, guys. How long he have to cough for? As it seems like 3 days now. 3 days today. Cough. And how bad? Too bad. Uh, none of us on here have the answer of your dad's problem. Aray ko. Aray mo. Oh my god. My armpit. You have health problem, yeah. Cheryl, more like 5 days. Yeah. Stinks. Oh, then yeah. Uh, then you scratch your head. Badly. You're right. Oh. Mm. I know. Yeah. Oh my god. Stinky armpit. Stinky. Uh, does it smell good like the other thing? Yeah, it smells so good. No, not smell good. Like, you're crazy. Check ka dito, tugab ka na imod ka dito, ano. All in your nose. when you're taking that, maybe on 10 a.m. The doctor, but we're going to be early. We just to be less, then we go back and here home, then waiting for 10 a.m. Your medical, that is weird. Yeah, really weird here. If you don't have enough money, you're going to die. Of life here. My God, you will see when you get home. When you get here, really, life is better there. When I get, when I'm going there, they don't help you. Hey, don't help. Me. If you don't have money, yeah. Yeah, if we don't have money, we're nothing here. What a life. Golden, it's fuck up. Sorry. They have to be first if they don't let you live until bell is paid. Yeah. 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 That's absolutely right. Just what I said. Yeah. That's why if you don't have money, oh my god, you're nothing. So guys, you can help me. God. Then go to the pharmacy. We can fix him. Then yeah. Thank you, Gordon. He needs a medical treatment. It sounds normal cough. He cough a lot. It sounds like here it's normal when I go to my father's room. He feel coughing. Then he breathed like he didn't cough the front. To yeah. Now, is he losing air or is it just full with mucus? He fell, losing his hair. I don't know. He fell, he said, uh, I fell, I feel hard to breathing. It's about the breathing. You feel like something like magayonon man. Salamat, Roy. Don't try to figure it out, Golden. She is taking him today. Morning, Roy. Then yeah. Mm, mm, mm. I didn't say that too. Thank you guys for helping. It helps. Thanks a lot. Oh, good. I don't know. All they going to do and sit there. Maybe you can help me. You can order to the Jollibee and bring me here. I want to eat on Jollibee. Joke. Mm, yeah. God better be going to school today, yes. Ouch. And do nothing. Sometimes make the bell high on them. I feel worried about the bill. About the bill and the medicine. Don't worry about the bill. We get this. We get. Hope your dad feel better. Thank you, Golden. Thanks, Realtor. Thank you. Uh, Thanks so much for 10 people here. My chicken up. Wait, bye bye. Oh my god. Love you all. Thank you, Golden. Thank you, team. Thank you, guys. Hi, Mopsy. I'm taking up for just stay here. I'm just taking up for a while. That's Chloe, guys. Watching me while I'm sleeping. Ouch. Ouch. Okay, go. Sure. Sorry. Bye bye.